Hello, my name is Thomas Campbell. I'm the owner of Pitmaster Essentials. Welcome to my outdoor kitchen. Today is a special day because today is game day. September is when football season starts, and so I thought I would make some game day queso. To do this, I thought I would fire up my Weber Kettle. Weber Kettle is so versatile. You can cook anything on it from hamburgers to steak. You can smoke brisket. I've smoked brisket, ribs, pork butt, anything and everything. And today we're going to be smoking some queso. So in order to do this, the ingredients are 1 pound of summer sausage, breakfast sausage. I have 2 cans of Rotel, and instead of using a jalapeno this time, I decided to add some additional green chilies. So I have 8 ounces of green chilies, and then I have a full, I don't know how much this is, probably a 1 or 2 pound block of Velveeta yellow cheese. And I'm going to be using for the rub some sweet Chipotle rub, Butcher Barbecue sweet Chipotle rub for some additional little bit of heat there. So let's get started. Basically, we just dump it in there. So I'm going to dump in all of my sausage. Just kind of spread it out across the bottom. The old Lodge does great whenever we go to cook. You can see that the bugs like it as well. And so, let's put it in the Rotel and then put in the green chilies. And the other thing I like to do too is I have noticed that if you try and get as much moisture out of your Rotel and also your green chilies, then the cheese doesn't seem to clump up as much. It seems to be a little bit more creamy. So I'm going to spread this around here a little bit. And as far as the rub goes, for additional seasoning, I'm going to go with, and so I'm going to guess that this is probably going to be I'm going to guess this is probably 2 or 3 tablespoons. So I'm going to mix that in there as well. And I'm going to put the cheese in. I already got the cheese cut up. So I just grab them in the chunks and then just put them in there like that. This will probably cook for maybe, I don't know, maybe half an hour, 45 minutes. I'm going to check it probably every 15, 20 minutes and stir it. And also I have the kettle over here. It's been warming up. The kettle is currently at, looks like about 360 degrees. So we're going to get this on here. And you want to put it indirect. So I have my coals over on this side of the kettle, and then putting the queso over here. And so we will let that cook, and I will bring you back here in probably about 15-20 minutes. Okay, welcome back. As you can see, the Weber Kettle is holding steady at 350 degrees. Let's see how she's looking. It's been about 15 minutes, and oh yeah, that is what I'm talking about. Everything's starting to get all gooey and mushy. Hopefully this isn't too hot. But that is going to be delicious. All of the chilies are starting to mold in with the cheese. Stir it every 15 minutes or so. The main thing is you want to keep it moving so that way it doesn't burn. Okay, we're going to give that another 15 minutes and I will bring you back. Just real quick, I wanted to show, so my top vent is wide open and my bottom vent is on the grill, I believe. It's either the grill or the sear mark, just a little past it, I guess. So those are the 2 spots you need to be to keep it right around 350 degrees to smoke the smoked queso. Okay, welcome back. Weber Kettle is holding it steady at about 370 degrees. So let's see how we're doing. Now that is what we're talking about. I said it was going to take about an hour, but I think it's probably about done. It's got that nice smokiness on there. Yeah, I think I'm going to give this maybe another 5-10 minutes, and then I'm going to say that it's done. But that is what we're talking about, folks. We're going to get the game going, call the crew, let them know that it's almost ready. I think I'm going to add a little bit more of the Butcher Barbecue sweet Chipotle rub. can see a little bit of seasoning in there, but I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more, maybe call another half a tablespoon. Mix that in there because I really love that sweet chipotle. It adds a nice little kick to it. It's not a lot, just a little bit. But that looks delicious. It smells amazing. Okay, so I will bring you back here in another 10 or 15 minutes, and then I think we're gonna call this done. Okay folks, there you have it. Game day smoked queso dip, ready in 40 minutes, right on the money. Weber Kettle, queso dip, Butcher Barbecue sweet chipotle rub. That's a game day winner. Okay, welcome back. So the queso is ready. Just thought I'd mix it up here a little bit. Still nice and creamy. It's got a lot of steam coming off of it. I'm ready for some football. I don't know about you guys. Like I said, September is a fantastic month in the Midwest. It's gorgeous outside. Football season starts, and it's time for some queso. Okay, so let's grab a chip and see how we did. Smells amazing. It's creamy, still steaming. That is delicious. I know I shouldn't double dip, but I'm going to double dip. That's the real deal right there. September is a beautiful month in the Midwest. Gorgeous. Football season starts, so grab your kettle, throw some charcoal in it, grab you some queso dip, smoke it, and it comes out fantastic. So what's your go-to whenever you watch the game? Do you smoke queso? Do you have your own particular dip that you use? Please let me know in the comments below. And remember, like, share, and subscribe, because Pitmaster Essentials is where flavor meets smoke. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.